Slice Engineering's 12 Days of Christmas. If you love 3D printing, this is the holiday event you do not want to miss. Every day from December 9th to December 20th, we're dropping a brand new sale on some of our most popular 3D printing essentials. Everything from hot ends to nozzles, accessories, and even more. Each deal is only available for one day, so make sure to check back daily. We've got this really exciting sweepstakes going on for most of the month of December. We're giving away a Bambu X1C combo. Every order placed during these 12 days earns you double entries into our sweepstakes for a chance to win a Bambu Lab X1C combo, an incredible 3D printer that takes your projects to that next level. What makes the X1C combo so exciting is a CoreXY printer with 20,000 millimeters per second squared of acceleration, giving you incredibly fast and precise prints. Plus, it comes equipped with the AMS, the automatic material system, letting you print in up to 4 colors or materials in a given print. And to make it even better, we've upgraded this particular X1C with our Mako hotend. The Mako has a roll cage design that allows you to do effortless nozzle swaps while delivering unmatched reliability and performance. Up to 60% faster printing with some materials. This setup is specifically designed for those that want speed, precision, and versatility.